Hi, in this video I'll show how to convert JSON file to XLF file. XLF is a resource file for user interface, and it contains source and translation. And to create this file I will use JSON with all data in it. I can open this JSON file into Notepad just to see what is inside. The most important field here is translation unit source, which is original English, and translation unit target, which is German. And I'm going to use this JSON file to convert it with application I will download and install from this website, Xlf files blogspot. I will add this name of the site into description to this video. To find application, I'll click on search and type JSON, and I need this Json To Xlf, and I'll click on download to start downloading process. I'll be recording more videos on different application on how to create XLF file from different sources, from Excel, CSV. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. Archive has been downloaded. I click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside archive, and click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next, install, click on yes, and click finish on final screen, and you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and this and this, and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is three steps process, and first step we have to select a JSON file we will use as a source for XLF. I click to select input file, navigate to my XLF folder, and select translation JSON, which is basically translation from English to German. Click on next step. Here on next step I have to match XLF columns on the left with JSON data on the right. So I will need resource name to resource name. ID is not required, but I can use translation unit ID as ID column, resource name as resource name, source as a source, and translation as a translation unit target. So, but even if ID column is not present, I can skip it. Here I have to specify source and translation language. So for me it's English to German. And yeah, basically that's it. Click on next step. On the file step I click run to create XLF file. It's asking me for name and location of the file. If this name and location is okay, just click save. And let's go see a file. I have a XLF viewer. It's a free app. It's showing what is inside of XLF, and also allow me to export XLF into different formats. I can find this file also, this viewer app on this website too. If I click on search type viewer, here it is, and there is video how to use it, how to install it, and yeah, basically this is the viewer, and you can see everything has been converted perfectly. I have my unit source, my unit target, my German translation is here, and yeah, and also I can export into different format if I want to, like Word, Excel, whatever, from this viewer. So basically that's it. If you'd like to see more application like this and more videos like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.